a little color. For your brand, of course. I would never be so rude. But actually, I probably could use a little color. Hey guys, I'm Danielle. In today's video, we are talking about your brand color palette. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite free tools. And it's my favorite tool. It just happens to be free as well. Bonus to create color palettes. But before we get into that, this video is part of a series. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss anything. So this is the Adobe color wheel or color tool, whatever you want to call it. I'll post the link for you below. And when it comes up for the first time, this is what you will see. And if you've been here before, it typically saves whatever you've been working on previously. What I love about this tool is that it gives you all these different ways to start creating a palette. So everyone's pretty much familiar with a complementary color palette, which is what many like schools use. These are opposite colors. You do different shades of the same color. Analogous, which is they're all next to each other on the color wheel, and there are so many to pick from. But the first thing I would do to get started is to import an image. And if you watch the video I did before this on creating mood boards, you can upload your mood board to start creating your color palette. And if you haven't, I suggest go back and watch that. So actually, you would come right over to Canva and first download your mood board onto your computer. So once you download your mood board from Canva, click on Import Image, find it in your files, and upload it right into the color tool. It will automatically generate some colors for you, but you can move these little dots around to get the exact colors that you're wanting to pull from your mood board. And then if you come back to the color wheel, you can fine tune this by moving these around to get the exact shades that you are looking for. And as long as this is set to custom, which it will be once you come back from importing an image, you can move these freely and individually from each other. The other thing you can do is you can pull one color from your mood board, set it to how you want it, then come down here and set it as your base color. You can only pick one base color, and then you can go back through the color harmony settings and see what kind of colors based on these different color theories would look good with that. Now, if you wanted to play around with that, but you like the pink and you also like the color you had here, you can just simply make a note of the hex code and copy it to your notes or Google Docs. So then you would have it to paste back in, because you can see I lost all the other colors that we were working with. Another fun feature of Adobe Color is to come to the Explore tab, and you can see they have tons of different pre-made color palettes, and you can click Edit Copy to then play around with it the same way. But of course, I highly recommend creating a mood board and pulling colors from there. Once you have it set, if you have an Adobe account, you can click here and save it. But I think it's super easy to just take a screenshot of this, and better yet, copy and take note of your hex colors. I keep mine in my Trello board. You can keep them in your Google Doc or wherever you need them. You can also go ahead and plug these right into Canva. And you would do that by either coming to your brand and adding colors in here. And of course, if you're on the free version of Canva, you only get 3 colors. So the best solution is to work with templates that have all your branding information in place, because once you create one design that has the set colors, then your document colors would be here across the top. And now when I say set colors, it's anything where you have assigned a color in Canva. It doesn't pull colors from images like our mood board, as you can see there. But this way, if you use this design as a template, then you can use it over and over again. So let me show you quickly how I might do that. So I'm going to just save this as an example. I'm going to come back to our main screen on Canva. Right here is the design I was just working on. So I have a folder named Kate Danielle's Templates. So I'm going to add it to that folder. And yes, in the free version of Canva, you do get 2 folders. So I'm just going to say move to folder and Kate Danielle Templates. So now when I come in through this folder and click on it, you have the option to use it as a template. And when you click that button, it automatically opens up as a copy. So then you can place your new headline, your new image right in there, and all of your color information is right there in the document colors. So that is a really quick and easy way to get around the limited branding options if you're on the free version of Canva. All right, boss ladies, let me know in the comments below what colors you are thinking about using in your brand color palette, and if you are having so much fun with the Adobe color wheel tool. It is such a fun tool to use and really refine your brand colors. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next branding video in this series where we're going to talk about applying your brand to a pre-designed template.